Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. I'm doing a 10 by 10 inch canvas and you just saw my two base paints, which is a light blue, blue-gray, custom mixed with the satin enamel, bare satin enamel white. And then I have a dark gray, same thing. I just added a little gray, Liquitex Basics regular gray to that. And then I have my white. So my base consists of 3 different satin enamel paints. Yeah, this one comes out really pretty, and it's actually a kind of a test for a large painting that I'm doing. So yeah, so I'm really happy with the way it came out. And yeah, so all my colors will be listed in my description box, as well as the recipe I use for these pearl cell pours. Okay. Have a great day, and I'm glad you're here watching. And if you have any questions, just comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls, if it